Today, during the August forecast, right here in the state of Maryland, it's going to be 66 degrees sunny. Feels like 65 degrees. Expect sunny skies. The high will be 81 degrees. So let's go over to the HD Doppler radar. In fact, ladies and gentlemen, there aren't any rain or snow. So we're going to skip that. And move on to the HD Doppler radar, which is the wind. The wind is picking up in the state of Maryland. So we do have different locations that are going to be with different numbers. That the color that we're on, which is the sky light blue. So we call it sky light blue. With this, so we do have Baltimore BWI Airport showing 3 miles per hour. Some are going to be 1, some are going to be 2, 4, and even 3. And then tomorrow is going to be, the lowest wind. The clouds, so since it's going to be sunny, there aren't any clouds for today, so it's quiet and empty, just like the radar. There aren't any rain or snow, so you don't need to have an umbrella. You can also enjoy the outdoor activities. So with the clothing, you have to have a breathable clothing. The humidity that we're showing, which is full blue, some are going to be mostly of the more than 90%, and even with 80s and all that. We do have one location, like in Salisbury, showing nearly 100%. And then tomorrow is going to be still regardless of blue. This time it's going to be mostly of nearly 90% and nearly 90%. The visibility that we're definitely showing, which is mostly of the gray with more than 12.4 mile. But for this location, we are definitely showing 13, 17, even 16, and even with nearly 10 mile. So we do have different colors. But other than gray, showing is going to be a little bit of the red, little bit of the purple, and even with some locations are going to be on the green with 9.9. So, and like in Dublin, showing 8.90 mile. With the sea level pressure, we're mostly of more than 30 inch right here in the state of Maryland. And then tomorrow is going to be another 30 inch in Maryland. The dew point that we're definitely showing, which is the colors in Maryland, which is green. So we do have the 50s, nearly 60s, and more than 60s. Plus tomorrow we're gonna have mostly of the 60s and also with nearly the 60s. The air quality that we're definitely showing, which is in Baltimore BWI Airport, showing 49 are going to be good. You can also enjoy the outdoor activities. Air quality poses little or no health risk. So in Dublin, 37, Hagerstown 32, Cumberland 34, Frederick 35, Easton 50, Salisbury 43, Pocomoke City 39, and finally with Lexington Park 49. Of course, nearly 50s. The pollen. It's a good thing, ladies and gentlemen, in the state of Maryland that are showing a low green. And with the low green, which is more than 10. Plus, later on, ladies and gentlemen, temperatures are going to be a nice, beautiful weather. And then temperatures are going to be on the green and also with 60s and nearly 60s. So we want you, ladies and gentlemen, to enjoy those outdoor activities, record, hang out with friends, walk, and all that. Ride your bike, and so much more. Now, with historical weather, we're showing with the historical weather during August, we are showing. So we're showing the daily high of 81, historical daily high 88, daily low 65 degrees, historical daily low 72 degrees. So that's today. So with the sunny, 53.80%, rain 28.30%, snow 2.50%, and the cloudy 15.40%. So with the historical weather on this date since the 1951, so the average of the rain, which is the average 0.15 inch, record showing 0.89 inch, 1967. Average, which is the snow, the average and record is nothing. The humidity with the average of 71.4%. Record showing 93.56%, 2018. Average with the wind with 5.10 miles per hour. Record showing 9.50 miles per hour with the year of 1974. Record high with the 2006 showing more than 100 degrees. Record low more than 60 degrees, 1959. Average high 88 degrees. Average low 72 degrees. With the daily summary, with the average temperature more than 100 max, 63 average, 20 minutes. Low temperature with the max 81, average 46, 8 minutes. Precipitation 2.53 max, 0.18 average, no minutes. With the wind 16.10 max, 6.41 average, 1.40 minutes. So with the sunrise, 6:08 a.m., 8:16 p.m. with the sunset. With the moon, 4:10 p.m. moonrise, moonset 1:11 a.m. With the phase of moon 70% and the next time full moon with the August 9th. So we know today it's going to be sunny, will be 81 degrees and with 67 degrees sunny right here in the state of Maryland. In fact, ladies and gentlemen, here's the rest of the forecast for August. Monday, sunny around 84 degrees, that's tomorrow. Tuesday with 85 degrees, partly sunny. Wednesday, which is going to be mostly cloudy with 76 degrees. Thursday with light rain on Thursday with 73 degrees. Friday with mostly cloudy, 74 degrees. Saturday with 81 degrees, another mostly cloudy. And then next Sunday will be 87 degrees, mostly sunny. And don't forget, ladies and gentlemen, you do not want to miss the all-new season 11 of YouTube recording. It's going to be Monday, August 25th. You don't want to miss the incredible new season 11. You don't want to miss that.